welcome back to Melody's Cool Crew. I am Melody, and so me and Chloe are playing on Trayton's server. We were, server that he made, or game that he made, and he was in the server, and then he made all of these Jeff the Killers happen. So now we're stuck here, and he left. So now all the Jeff the Killers are and they're just stacking up on each other, and then he won't let us do the poop admin command that we wanted to do.
Where it like shot us up with poop.
Mhm. Oh my God, they're all stacking up. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
I'm gonna fall down off of here. I wanna.
Oh my God, they're all after me. They're all after me.
Melody, oh my God.
Oh my God. This is cool video. This is cool video footage.
Well, he was in the server. I just kept him saying SMA.
Oh my God. This is glitching so badly. And then yours is like in the middle.
Literally, the jump scare is like...
Oh my God. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, that happens to me. Oh, you're dead. Oh. Oh.
That was scary.
Yeah, they were all piled on top of you.
I kind of want to watch this video after now.
Yeah, I'm going to post
Climb
it.
up the ladder. Hurry, run over me. Climb to the top of the tree.
Nah, I'll stay here. But this weird thing about this map is there's like another tree house on top of a tree house.
Now, if you like zoom out all the way, you see it. Like,
Yeah, it's so weird.
Credits to me, I'm the one who pointed that out.
Yeah. Oh my
Oh,
God,
gosh,
Chloe.
We should actually jump down.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hey, you didn't jump!
I'm frozen, I can't!
How rude of you! Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah, the jump scares on my screen for 10 minutes now.
Oh yeah, to fix that you gotta reset, because that happened to me a bunch where, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Really?
Oh my God. They're all after me.
Ow!
Why would he leave us here like this? Why? He's gonna see this video and then he's just like gonna be like, oh my God. He's gonna be like, LOL, 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 LOL. Great, now the jump scare is stuck on. Oh, okay. Oh my God.
I'm jumping down. Oh no, I probably shouldn't have done that. Ah! I jumped down. Oh my God, everyone saw me.
Oh my God. Oh, your head. You're okay.
Oh,
Ah! Oh my God.
you're just all stacking out though. This is scary. Like, jeez.
Oh, and I got murdered. Okay. I don't know what's happening right now.
What?
Oh, oh, oh my God.
Oh no.
Were those all by me? It's like a waterfall of Jeff the Killers. Ah! Now they're stacking up on each other.
Wonderful. Just the killer. Such a rare sighting. I'm jumping down. Bye.
Bye.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh. Don't just sit there and watch. Yeah. No. They're all chasing me. Well, they're stacked on top of each other. Are you seeing this?
Yes, I am. I'm getting this on camera.
No. I'm just gonna push them all off. I'm just gonna jump off. And then...
No! Keep them on! It's excellent video footage.
I just want to see what happened. What happened?
Okay, fine.
Oh, never mind. I get it.
Oh, I wanted to see the waterfall of Jeff the Killers.
Waterfalls. Wow, such a rare sighting. But you know what's even rarer? Waterfall just. Yeah.
Yeah, I got all of that on camera. So yeah.
No. No.
Oh, there's just 3 lonely Jeff the Killers over there. See those 3 lonely Jeff the Killers?
You go do that now so the fans can see what happened.
But actually, come with me.
I'll be bait.
Come on.
Oh, never mind. I'm out. I'm vlogging so. Ah!
Oh my God.
When he did
There's a tower of Jeff the Killers.